If you own a BMW E93 Convertible, you already know the struggle. Unlike the E90 or E92, the E93 has always been limited when it comes to aftermarket taillight options. Most owners are stuck with the factory taillights, and with their dated tri-bar design and halogen bulbs, they simply don't match the modern look this car deserves. On top of that, these vehicles are now approaching 20 years old, so oxidation, cracking, fading, and overall wear are extremely common. That's exactly why we developed our BAVMODS LCI-style taillight upgrade for the BMW E93. In this video, we'll show you how our plug-and-play taillights transform the rear end of the E93 with a full LED design, sequential turn signals, improved brightness, and a much more modern appearance. Our kit is available in both smoked and red finishes, giving owners the option to choose the look that best fits their build. The first step is accessing the taillight assemblies through the trunk. After opening the trunk and disconnecting the battery, we'll remove the interior trim panel behind the taillight. This panel is held in place by a locking fastener that turns 90 degrees to unlock. Once the clip is removed, the panel can be carefully slid out of place without breaking the retaining tabs. With the trim removed, the main outer taillight is held in by three 8mm nuts. Once those are removed, the factory connector can be unplugged by pressing the release tab, and the original taillight can be carefully pulled away from the body. Before installing the new unit, we recommend wiping down the mounting area so the new taillight has a clean surface to sit against. Now we can install our BAVMODS LCI-style taillight. The new assembly slides into the factory location and uses the original mounting points for a clean, secure fit. Once positioned, the mounting nuts can be threaded back on by hand before being fully tightened. Our kit includes resistor modules designed to prevent CAN bus errors when upgrading from the factory halogen setup to a full LED design. The harness connects directly to the factory taillight connector on one side and to our new taillight on the other, making this a true plug-and-play upgrade with no cutting or coding required. Before reinstalling all the panels, we recommend reconnecting the battery and testing the lights. Once powered on, the difference is immediate. The new LED design is brighter, sharper, and much more modern. The sequential turn signal adds a premium touch that completely changes the rear-end look of the E93. After confirming everything works properly, the taillight can be fully secured. The three mounting nuts can also be used to fine-tune fitment, allowing the assembly to sit more flush with the quarter panel if needed. Once the driver's side is complete, the passenger side follows the same process. Next, we'll move to the inner trunk taillights. These are accessed by removing the trunk-mounted cover, which is held in place by two push clips. Once the cover is removed, the inner taillight is secured by a single 8mm nut and a factory bracket. After removing the nut and unplugging the connector, the taillight can be lifted and pulled out of the trunk assembly. Before installing the new inner taillight, we'll clean the mounting surface again. The new harness is routed through the trunk opening, and the outer edge of the taillight needs to latch properly into place before tightening it down. This step is important for proper alignment and a clean fit. The factory black bracket is reused, and our kit includes the properly sized hardware needed to secure the new taillight. Once the bracket is in place, hold pressure on the taillight while tightening the nut so the gap stays as tight and even as possible. Be careful not to over-tighten, just make sure everything is snug and secure. Once the inner taillight is mounted, the connector plugs directly into place. The access cover and push clips can then be reinstalled, and the wiring can be tucked neatly out of the way. After repeating the same process on the opposite side, the full upgrade is complete. With everything installed and powered on, the transformation is instantly noticeable. Our BAVMODS LCI-style taillights give the E93 a brighter, cleaner, and more premium rear-end appearance. The deep LED light signature, sequential turn signals, and improved visibility make the car feel years newer. This upgrade is not just about looks, it also improves safety by increasing lighting output and making the vehicle more visible on the road. For E93 owners who have been waiting for a proper aftermarket taillight solution, this is the upgrade that finally modernizes the convertible while maintaining an OEM plus fit and finish. Our BAVMODS BMW E93 LCI-style taillights are available now in smoked and red finishes. Secure your set using the link below, and thank you for choosing BAVMODS.